What is up, Romies? Welcome back to the Rookie Roamer channel. So guys, today we're going to a gun show at the Florida State Fairgrounds in Tampa. So they have actually two shows going on. It's the gun show and a Reptile Expo. So we're probably gonna check the expo as well. We're gonna see. But yeah, guys, I'm super excited. I know you guys did like the shooting range video, so we're back at it again with another gun show. Let's go. So guys, it was 15 each, so $30 plus I think plus $10 on the parking. So $40 just to enter. And this is just for the gun show. So yeah. Let's get to it.
Any guns? The guns tickets on the other side. Any guns?
Thank you. Oh my gosh. These are super dope. Look at the knives. Look at these. And they're pretty good price.
Military uses that caliber 5.56. And this is even styled after the military is in
Little knives. Look at these. These are dope. They got some big guns right here. Look at this. Yeah, that's cool. Oh my god. This is like something I want. Look at this. This is like the Fortnite guns. I gotta show you. Easy. This. Look at this. This is dope. Expensive though, $1,000, crazy. They got the cool ones though, like, look at this one. Shit. Oh, look at our guy. How you doing, man? Nice to see you again.
Good to see you.
How you doing?
What can I do for you, ladies?
Now we're just browsing around, you know? These are cool.
These are fantastic. Is what they are.
Yeah, those are cool, man. I didn't know you guys host the shows, the gun shows.
Yeah, we own it.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
That makes sense. All right. Do you guys have Uzis?
Oh man. Sometimes we do. I don't think we do right now, though.
Yeah, I know. I heard it's hard to find.
Expensive, but they're nice.
Yeah, I heard. Yeah, these are pretty cool too. I like this one.
That's a great gun. I mean, you get everything you need. Flat face trigger, ambidextrous controls. You have the low sights, and then you can flip them up for high sights.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
It's super accurate. There's no recoil, and you get two 33-round magazines.
Wow, man. I'm browsing around. I'm gonna see if maybe pick up something, but I'm not sure. Let's see. Thanks,
I
man.
already talked to you guys about 2A legal, right?
Yeah. We have it.
Oh, you both have it?
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah. Thanks, man. Wow, we seen our guy right here. The guy that helped us pick out our first gun is here. That's crazy. I didn't even know that Shoot Straight actually owns the gun shows here in Florida. That's crazy. But it does make sense. It does say Shoot Straight. Wow, look at these. Hello, how you doing?
And that's the price for everything out the door.
Oh, cool. Well, out the door, 800. That's pretty dope. Do it. Oh, I like this one. This is good, I think, because this is like the part that hangs on your shoulder.
Those up if you want.
Okay,
The
cool.
magazine release right here, I'll pull it off the stand.
Okay, cool. Look at this. What's that? Oh, look. I think it's covered. This is dope. Oh. I can't put it back.
Yeah, this one.
Oh yeah, this is cool. Oh, he. Okay. Yeah, right then.
On that one for 20 minutes.
Let's see what they got. These are nice too. Some cool guns, man. Let's go back down here. Now we talking. Look at this. This is nuts. For 300 bucks, it's not bad. Look at this one. It's mad small. $6.99. Look at this one.
I just wondered what that was.
It's a little gun.
Brand.
Oh, the brand?
Yeah. Sea-Can. Oh, okay.
Me either. It's cute though.
Yeah, it is. Looks like it's in really good shape.
Yeah, it's nice. Yep. Look at these. This is the ones you've seen like in the cartoons. This one. Oh, this one's nice. And like they have pretty good prices on this. These are nice. Like this. I think this is the one I have, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe. Yeah. It's the same price too. Nice. Look at this one. Oh my god, this one's dope. Hold on. It's like, this is mad. My hands are small.
Carry that in your bra.
I know.
It's a little bitty one.
Yep.
Take 2 shots to stop them though. Look back here, Rick.
It's nice.
We're just gonna come around.
Nah, no worries, man. That one is pretty small. $2.19, not too
Here,
bad.
young lady.
Huh? Oh, that was cool. I'm so sorry.
Just bought one.
Oh, you just bought one. Nice.
How much is that one, James?
It's right here. This one is $3.95. Yep.
Double what I paid.
Then you
Oh,
gotta pay
wow.
tax on it too.
Then you gotta pay tax on it.
You like
You
those?
buying your gun today?
Yeah, maybe. Not sure which one yet. I want a big one though. No, I got a little one already.
Yo, what are you talking about, a rifle? You don't want no big handgun, you shoot a little one.
No, not a handgun. No, maybe like an AK or something like that.
Oh yeah, okay.
Have a nice day.
All right, you too. Thank you guys. Look at these. And they're good prices, man. This one's really nice. This one's $2,000, but it's really nice. But this one's at $4.95, a little bit bigger. It's nice as well. I think every gun you could think of is in here, literally. Look at this, man. Nah, just browsing around, man. Thanks.
Yes, Kristen, maybe.
The good stuff is that everybody's actually really helpful, so this is kind of dope. Look at these. Woof. Nice. Look at these. And they're pretty good. $2.99, $3.49. This is nice. $3.49. $3.49. And these, back to these, are nice. Colors, really dope. This one's sick. Nice camouflage. Look at this one. These are the ones I like. $2,000. Wow. $1,000. This one's nice. Nah, this one's dope. This one's cool. For $269. Not bad.
Oh, it's called Henry.
Nice. Let me see these. These are $3.89. Look at these. Nah, these are good. See, I like this. The micro AR. That's dope. These are so nice, man. But the micro AR is fire. Look at this one. These are pretty cool. I love these. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is Florida living for you. This is Florida living for you, man. Oh, look at this one. Fire. Look at these. Oh, here we go. Here's the nice stuff. Oh, look at the doggy. Sleeping over there. Oh, there's one right here. All the little guns. Look at this one. Now this is cute. This is a 380 auto.
Well, now you have an idea, though.
You gotta be careful too when you buy the smaller ones.
I'm not gonna lie, yeah, I feel like the 380s jam, because mine jams a little bit. Look, pimp sticks. I'm crying. We got everything you never needed and more. It's funny. Hello, how you doing? That's funny. Look at this.
We got everything you don't need here, sir.
Yep. Look at this.
49.
Wow. It's insane. They got the swords, samurai swords. Look at these. Even the knives got style. So guys, they actually kind of like buy guns. You could sell, trade, and buy guns here. Look at this. Honestly, I don't know why would they have that. Like, why would people use that? If you know why they would use that, comment down below. Is this for like, for the military? Yeah, but why would they sell it here to the public? Oh, Trump. How you doing, man? I like this. Word? Let me see him dance. I love the hair.
Love that jersey.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. With this wood piece, what the heck? So dope. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, guys. nice. It says do not touch, so we cannot touch it. But look at this one. This one says you could touch. Oh, these are like the... It's too heavy.
Don't worry.
Huh?
No, it's okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah. It's heavy.
Yeah.
How much do they weigh?
About 15 pounds.
15 pounds? All right, guys. So I got a 380 with the little pink on it. So I just decided to get my girlfriend a gun. That's why it's pink. Even though I love pink, but yeah. So I got that for her as a gift. I'm gonna end up coming back and get me another gun, just a better one. All right, guys, we're done here. So I know I said I wasn't gonna get a small gun, ended up getting a small gun, but whatever. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now I'm gonna try to find a laser for the gun I actually have at home, which is similar to hers, just a different brand. So the brand we got from her is made here in Florida, which is pretty dope. Support the state. Now we're on our way to check out the Reptile Expo, sorry. The Reptile Expo. I'm a bit tired, a couple hours in there, just looking around. And it's hot, nice and hot today. It's right next to each other, look at this. Gun show? Expo. All right, guys, so it's $20 each to get them inside. All right, let's go.
I'm debating getting another white, but I know.
Yeah, you get us a water. I'll look in here. Look at this. Oh, weird dragons.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, I like this one.
All right, cool.
They eat roaches and crickets. Oh, those are the worms.
Where can we see them?
That's a good question. Oh, here we go. Look at these guys right here.
Harlequin. I get that too. I don't want to make her every time. No, it's like you said. And that's
125. Crazy. Oh, look at these. Look at this. Look at these. These are cool. Oh my God, look at this one.
You see the emerald boa right here?
Instagram is like when you're in the gecko room and you hear your employees punching on the gecko urates or something weird. I was like,
These are cool.
Reels. Dude, I need a post period.
Yeah, you suck at posting.
Imagine how
Oh, this one's nice.
Yo, hit up Concepcion, man.
So she is an albino hairless.
her red eyes actually make it, she's basically blind.
Really?
Because the red eyes absorb so much light. It's almost like being in a dark room, having your eyes adjust, and then stepping into the sunlight and you're like, I can't see. It's like that 100% of the time for her.
I'll pet her.
It's the smell. Yeah, go ahead. She's very warm.
Oh yeah.
She's not going to bite you.
Okay.
But they have a fantastic sense of smell, fantastic hearing, so she gets around just fine. As her other dark-eyed competitor, she just can't see.
She actually feels nice.
Yeah. They have loose skin, much like hairless cats do. So, like, their skin isn't attached to their body like a dog skin is. So, which allows them to get into those tight crevices when they're, like, climbing. Because exactly like a cat, if a rat's head can get through it, their whole body can, because their bones aren't connected the same way. It's not like permanent.
Yeah.
Like a cat's collarbone is disconnected so it can like shift and get in. Rats are the same. They can move around and get in there.
Sweet.
So if you keep her kind of facing away from you a little bit and then kind of wrap up, then she'll stay in that blanket a little bit better. So just kind of turn her body where her back is against you. There you go. Perfect.
Look at this little raccoon.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. So if you go to the website.
It's a baby.
It's a cutie pie.
She's wildin'. She's cute though. You wanna grab it? Oh my god. Do you wanna grab it? You sure? Alright.
I will grab you the wallaby.
Maybe she wants to hold me right.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, I like this.
I'll do the application right now, actually.
Oh my god, look at this. The lemur. Oh my god. Look at the pamper. I'm crying. They're so cute. I want to ask her how old. How old?
7 weeks.
7 weeks?
Yeah.
I know they get pretty big. I'm not gonna lie though, a little stinky, smelling like poopy. Look guys, a wallaby. Oh my gosh, she's cute. It's a baby. How big does it get?
They get about 3 feet tall and they weigh about 35 to 40 pounds full grown.
Wow.
So they don't get too awful big.
Half my size.
Not like the kangaroos. The kangaroos get huge.
Look at this guy.
Right here. Huh?
Can't lie, they were a bit stinky. Lots of snakes. Look at this one. A pink snake. Oh my god, look at these. And they're expensive, like $200-300. Oh my god, I like this one. $800? No way. Wow. Look at this one. $200. This is actually cute. It looks like it has muscles on its head. But look. This is how they shed. Wow. Mm-hmm. They have lots of cool patterns on the snakes. Some merch. Look at this guy. Look at this one. I almost missed it. There's one in here. Oh, right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's hard to see them. Right there. Wow. Nice. That one, look at this, man. Oh my god, he's out too. Are we able to pet them?
You can put your hand underneath their feet a little bit, but what happens is it usually makes them want to leave, and then they won't stand still anymore, and they try to run away.
Yeah, I see that one.
Oh God.
Eastern collar, that's what they're called, I don't know, but super cool, like a tint of blue. Look at these. And this guy out here. Look at this, guys. He got his neck out. He's cute. Look how cute. They're so small. Look at this one. I love the little turtles. They get pretty big. Look at this one. If you take care of them right. These. Wow. Really cute. What kind is this one?
This is a rose gray, you know, Mexican rose gray they like to call it. So it's Tiltacatl verdezi.
Nice.
Native to Mexico. It's a mid-sized tarantula. They get about 5 inches or so.
Wow.
Full grown.
It's nice. Oh, it's like pretty much like this one. This one's kind of cool. So these are, how old are these?
Oh gosh, 6 months.
6 months? Okay.
Behind you, hands out, palms up. I'm gonna put a hand in one and the butt in the other one, and you're gonna kind of hold them there.
All right. Woo. Here we go. Action time. Oh my God.
That's heavy.
I see. You might want to adjust them in the back.
Yeah. I just want to pull up a little bit on your hair so it's not pulling your hair.
No, it's all right. You can pick them up a little bit here too. It's like uncomfortable. Oh, there you go. Oh my God, he's slipping off. Look at his arm. Look at how he's slipping off over here.
6-year-old female.
6-year-old female. She's heavier than me. How much does she weigh?
About 16 pounds.
I don't know. She don't weigh heavier than me.
I have another one back there that weighs 25.
Okay. Why does it feel like she really weighs so heavy?
It's more dense. It's all in one spot.
So guys, we just left the expo, the Reptile Expo. I thought it was pretty, the reptile show is called. It's not even an expo, it's a show. It's actually pretty dope. I don't know much about reptiles, so it looked more repetitive to me, which I'm pretty sure it wasn't. I bet you there were like different types of snakes, but there was a whole bunch of snakes, a lot of lizards. I'm assuming they were all different. I just don't know too much about it, but it was a cool experience. I enjoyed myself. And since it was next to the gun show, that was really dope. So, you know, I got to go to both and pay for one parking. So I loved that. And holding the snake was really dope too. Like, you know, it was pretty heavy, but it was so cool. Like, you know, they feel so nice and everything. I didn't get no reptiles or any animals, period. I have too many pets at home. 2 dogs is enough for me. But yeah, guys. Well, anyways, make sure you like this video. You comment down below where I should go next. And make sure you have your notification bell on for the next video. And yeah, guys, Rookie Roamer out. Peace,
they call
guys.
me Rookie Roamer. I'm taking flights overseas. Jet lag, jet skis, the baddie with me. I could take you to all kind of scenes. Skyline, nightlife, come and party with me. Yeah.